Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu wanamhla bazala bamzitho is about the last episode of Uthando Nesithembu season 9, guys. I think it was episode 4 if I'm not mistaken. Lebe dlala Thursday, guys. So on that episode ubaba Mseleko sibonile ukuthi babuya kabo Makhumalo babikhuluma indaba kibo Makhumalo nendaba kaMakhwela, guys. So I wanted us guys to focus on indaba of uMakhumalo being the person oprovidela abafazi. I don't know whether I don't understand into yakhona, and I think they need ukuthi ba-explain further this thing ukuthi uMakhumalo uba providela kanjani, because I don't get it. So if uMakhumalo uyo osponsor abafazi bakaMseleko, why abomayeni isidima sabo sivuma ukuthi bathathe imali kaMakhumalo while they know ukuthi bona noMakhumalo they are not in good page, they are not in good standard bona boyithu noma yini. I don't believe ukuthi uMakhumalo ubhadala ama-finances abafazi bakaMseleko. Mina guys, in my mind, or mhlambe yilo ukuthi the time Uthando Nesithembu ngisathanda ukulibukela kakhulu, I used to google about uMseleko. I've seen ukuthi uMseleko is a millionaire. I've seen uMseleko on podcast or radio station akhuluma ngencwadi yakhe, how he became a millionaire, how he made his first million. So in my head ikhona lento lokuthi uMseleko is rich, ikhona lento lokuthi uMseleko is a millionaire, and I don't think ukuthi uMseleko would make uMakhwela quit her job as ukuthi uMakhumalo akamfuni uMakhwela. So bokumele understand ukuthi if uMakhwela kumsebenzi wakhe, uMakhwela ufundile, bakasebenza umsebenzi awuyela esikolweni, you understand. So I don't think ukuthi uMseleko bakazi ukuthi uMakhwela kumsebenzi expecting ukuthi uMakhumalo uzosupport uMakhwela, the very same Makhumalo ungafuni uMakhwela, feel as if uMakhwela ungene just because ufuna ubonakala, uze nge-attitude ukuthi ngize endodeni not kumanye amakhosikazi. So guys, I wanted us to focus futhi endabeni kaMakhumalo athi umntana kaMakhwela mele enze idene. To me guys, it disrespect. I feel like if expect ingane ne wonke umuntu ozothi leyo ngane mele enze idene ngaphandle kababa umntana wakho, I feel like lo muntu yakudelela, because indaba yakho nomntwana imele yazi uwena baba umntwana. If baba umntwana uthi lo mntwana owami, who are you wena auntie, wena the first wife or second wife, wena gogo to say le ngane akuseyethu? You understand? If baba ngane uyayivuma lento le, and guys let me tell you one thing, yabona lento le ukuthi umuntu athi ingane akusomunye umuntu then vele ezomunye umuntu, I think nje unayo right ukuthi umsuwe leyo muntu leyo, because ufuna ukuthini ngengane yami, ufuna ukuthini ngami ngesimilo sami as a woman. So are you trying to say mina as a woman ngihamba ngilala nabanye abantu? What are you saying? uMakhumalo kahle kahle makazothi ingane kababa uMseleko mayenze idene, ufuna ukuthini Makhumalo? Because if uthi ingane akusiya kaMseleko, you are saying ingane nomunye umuntu. So you are saying uMakhwela the time anobaba uMseleko enza into zabantu abadala nobaba uMseleko, she was also doing into zabantu abadala nomunye umuntu. We understand, and I feel like it is so wrong ukuthi uMakhumalo asho kanjalo, because uMakhwela makasaphendula ukuthi wena iphi eyakho ingane esizwe yenza idene, kuyobe ngathi uMakhwela wrong, kuyobe ngathi uMakhwela heartless, kuyobe ngathi uMakhwela insensitive. Kanti lapho uMakhwela naye zabalwela yena nesidima sakhe, because umuntu makazothi kuwe makayenza idene, and remember so ukuthi uMseleko uyile ndoda yi-UF, and uMseleko uyayimela into yakhe makasafuna ukuyimela, and makasafuna ukudayisa ngawo uyadayisa ngawo. Mame uMakhumalo noMakhwela babuye endaweni e-1. uMakhumalo uthi wayefunda nabo mamncane bakaMakhwela, abo-anti bakaMakhwela. So that means abantu bakibo Makhumalo, ama-sisters kwaMakhumalo ayamazi uMakhwela, nama-sisters amakhwela ayamazi uMakhumalo. So obviously uMakhumalo makazothi le ngane mayenze idene, if omunye umuntu beyizoba khona engcondweni yakhe ukuthi mhlambe kukhona uMakhumalo akuvile la endaweni mina engakuzwanga ukwenziwa uMakhwela. Remember uMakhwela na 25, so mhlambe kukhona into uMakhumalo bake bamxoxela yona enziwa yilo muntu mina engayazi, engakazi ngayiva. You understand? So ngabe yenye indoda beyizoba khona engcondweni yakhe ukuthi mhlambe le ngane vele akuseyami, or mhlambe ikhona into uMakhwela ayenza, maybe uMakhwela unama aphinda abe nomunye umuntu ngesikhathi esi-1. I don't know why uMakhumalo yenza lento leyo, but Mayeni has been saying uMakhumalo when the cameras are off uba omunye umuntu, when the cameras are on uba omunye umuntu. And this statement just proves to me ukuthi you are not women's woman, you are not a girl's girl. Because if you were the girl's girl, I don't think ukuthi wena buzosho kanjalo kumuntu pregnant omunye umuntu a-pregnant noma ngabe yindoda yakho, ungena indoda uyazi ukuthi inesithembu and ungena indoda uyazi ukuthi ifuneni isithembu, and at the time amanye amakhosikazi alwa ukuthi makungangeni omunye umuntu. Wena you have been saying wena awunankinga, you haven't seen abahambayo society incenga. Manje wena mase kumele kuhambe wena mabase bafuna ukusala bayincenga, so uyakwada mabase ba-ede omunye umuntu wena omvumile wathi you are building with this man and you understand the vision of this man. The time abantu bamile ukuthi no, this is wrong, bongana problem. Manje the vision mase ikama to a success, so uyakwada wena, so uthi ingane abathi mayenze idwene. It was wrong of uMakhumalo saying ukuthi uMakhumalo umntana kaMakhwela akusuka kaMseleku. It was so wrong, because mawuthi umuntu makenza i-DNA, that means uquestiona i-DNA yomntwana, you are questioning the identity of umntwana. In other words, you are saying le ngane akusuka kaMseleku, why do you want i-DNA? uMakhumalo was wrong, anona lie, uMakhumalo was wrong. And ubone ukuthi uMakhumalo unjani nalento leyo ukuthi uyafuna ukuthi umuntu avukuvusa umuzi wakhe, into engekho, story into engekho. Ngoba if she really wanted ukuthi umuzi wakhe uvuke and kaMseleku kube nomuntu ozomzalela, okay, bomele amukele indaba kaMakhwela. We are not saying now bomele, but ayithathe at ease, and I understand ukuthi uMakhwela as much as la akazizelanga and naye unesandla sokuthi uMakhwela afike, ngoba sonke besilubukela uThando Nesithembu on TV, yena athi she understand the vision. Nami bengizongena in the name okuthini, I know amakhosikazi ayi-2 athi awangifuni, ayi-2 athi ayangifuna, and la angifuna yabalekile kubhebi. So masingena will be 3-2. That means thina izabe sesibaningi esifuna ukungena. Then sabona noma yeni wathi no, mina ngingena indaba number 5. That means abantu bayayivuma indaba number 5. So kumangwabe kuphela into ezongenza ngangeni, because I'm already in a relationship with this man. This man uthi ufuna ukungishada, anginankinga mina Nesithembu, anginankinga nokudate nomuntu omdala, and anginankinga nokuzalela lo baby. You understand? So I feel like uMakhumalo her saying umntana kaMakhwela kumele enze i-DNA, it was wrong, and uMakhumalo into emele ayixolisele ke leyo. Nanoma abanoMakhwela bangalungisa izinto and makuhamba isikhathi kulunge, yinto emele axolisele national TV if uke wakusho vele, ngoba eyumseleku naye. If uke wakusho, I think kumele asho ukuthi yaxolisa, kufemela kibo uMakhwela axolise nakuMakhwela, ngoba nje lokho akusukudelela umseleku kuphela, ukudelela uMakhwela, ukudelela ingane yaMakhwela, and kuko konke that means udelela isidima samakhwela, uyasenguMakhwela ujula nabanye abantu. That is my honest opinion. But Mazalbam, you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda kuya nokubuya.